Okay, we're at our new place, and there's a lot of cleaning work to do. Is there a lot of cleaning work to do?
Yeah. No, say it again.
Okay, let me show you this. This is what we're coming into, and this is what we have to clean up. This is not a forever home, but this is where we're going to be living because the rent is cheaper, so we'll have money to save up for other places. Is it bad? Is it bad, girls?
Yes, especially Mama's and Daddy's room.
It's like a really small version of
See, there's cat dung on the floor over there.
You need to go see the room, her room. Mama's room is next.
No, I'm doing a full tour here. There's some kind of kitchen area here. I'm not gonna show it. Well, if I do show it, I'll blur it out. But like this, there's still food in here and stuff like that. I guess they might have trashed it before they left. We have a fridge over here. I don't know if that works, but that's gonna need a lot of cleaning. They have a door here that I guess they took the key knob part and then they insulated it. And there's tape everywhere. And this, I guess, is the master bedroom. I guess that's what the bed was on. This is like just trashed, amazingly trashed. We got a lot of work to do. And then they wrote us a message, I guess some kind of message here that was just like, oh no, they did this and blah, 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 blah. These people, the people that were living here were not paying rent. And then they got evicted, and then they tried to contest the eviction just to like mess with the guy because he hadn't got any money from them for a while. So I'm pretty sure these are people that did not have jobs and were basically look at this, oh my goodness, they did not have jobs or anything like that, and they were just living off welfare, and then thinking that they could just go like that. I guess just live like that, which is insane. So there's like a mega amount of cleaning to be done, and I'm pretty sure found a what? A blade for cocaine?
It's a blade for cocaine.
These used to be drug dealers.
Were they?
Yeah, well, not drug dealers, drug heads.
Yeah, and
That's why the house looks the way.
and it's one of those things where it's like they might have trashed it before they left. Yeah, big amount of cigarettes.
This is our mom's room that we have.
This is these people had kids, and look at this room. Like not all of this. Where we're gonna everything. It's one of those things I wish I could cleanse this with fire, but fire might not work. But this is not all like stuff that was wrecked before we got here. You know, this was stuff that was like I think people were living like this. Oh my goodness! This is another one of the rooms. We got more stuff just tossed over here. Some other weird poetry on there. Thing of trash.
Look at
The bathroom.
Look on the sink, that thing.
boy. Oh yeah, the sink. That's they're left with, and I guess that was their where their toilet paper goes.
I don't know.
I guess they weren't flushing it or something another. But oh my goodness. And then if you go out, there's a porch here. There's a storage unit over here that basically is just filled with trash. I guess that's where they were putting all the trash because they didn't do trash service. Looks like they were burning trash as well. And yeah, so there's a lot of work we got to do. Okay, we have been working. Here we go. We've been working. Picking up all kinds of stuff. Sorry about that. been picking up all kinds of stuff, and this is. Sorry about the wind, but this is a pile of stuff that we've got out of the house already. That's they had old TVs and a whole bunch of like electronics that were like disassembled, and for some reason, and we did find drug paraphernalia. This is the room that had the bed and all the kids' room stuff. We got all that stuff out of there. Also found a dirty magazine with gross, what it looked like it was some kind of hustler or something. This is the bathroom. Let me get the light. But yeah, we did that. And we got this area where I showed you earlier. Like, we got all that stuff out of there. That's where we're finding like a whole bunch of just junk, and there's so many razor blades everywhere. So yeah, we're trying to be careful with that. And then the living room area, we've cleaned all this and stuff like that. This is just a basic cleaning too. We're not even like detailing cleaning yet, but did this. Like I said, there's a fridge here. This is not the fridge we're using. We haven't even don't open it. Don't open it. There's nastiness in there. And we have a new fridge. And then this is where the washer and dryer is going to be. This is the door I showed you earlier. And this room here, we've got a lot of this looking like a lot better. And this is the semi after, I guess, stuff here. And then, you know, if we cleared out all this, there's a space in between the tub and the toilet here, and they had like a foam glove and a pair of pants shoved up in there. And so, yeah, still a lot of work to be done, but yeah. Now we have done as much as we can, and we're waiting for my wife to come so we can go eat.
And someone's taking
Because as it turns out, all we have left to do is like scrub down the whole place. We have Lysol, we have scrubbing bubbles, but we have nothing to put the scrubbing bubbles and Lysol on to scrub. So, yeah.
We could use the girl's hair.
Girls, you wanna ante up your hair? We can use y'all as a mop.
Yeah.
We get to use you as a chair.
You got the good sized bun on your head.
We have mops in there. Yes, that's right. We have a mop. Yes.
If you
But
call
we need
that
more
a
than
mop,
just. We need more than
it's not
just.
a mop.
We need more than just. Yes,
It's not a mop.
we need more than just a mop.
That's a couple strands of yarn on a stick.
What are we gonna do? Spray Lysol on the entire floor and then mop it up? No.
Now we're pouring.
We need
I
a
mean-
bucket.
No. The mops
strands.
on Fantasia have a look more like a mop than that does.
It's got a couple strands. It's just light dreads, bro.
Yeah. They disabled it. What do you want me to tell you?
So hopefully the next shot takes place at Taco Bell. We will see. Now we're at, we had the Taco Bell, it was delicious. Now we're at Home Depot picking up all kinds of stuff. So we can do that. We're gonna wait for this one.
Oh my god.
Not feeling that great? That kind of hurt. And then, yeah, we got multi-purpose cleaner and all this other stuff.
Only because it's in the
Yeah, we're getting all this stuff so we can get this stuff clean. So, yeah. Woo! Alright, we're about to go see if somebody has a monkey.
It's a monkey. Where did it come from? South Texas.
Can I look at the monkey? Hi, monkey.
Is it for his YouTube? Is it for your? It's for your YouTube channel, isn't it?
Just don't get me in it.
Nope, okay.
What are you doing?
He's curious about you.
Oh,
That's why he does that.
Oh.
no.
She's like,
No. Is it on
he
you?
won't.
Is what kind of monkey is it?
He's a Java.
A Java. Okay. The only ones I know of, like was it Manchuria or something like that, or Capuchin? Capuchin,
Yeah,
He's just so itty bitty. Is he full grown? Or is,
No, he's only 4 months old.
he's only 4 months? Oh
I know.
wow.
Just a baby.
I'm so gonna get a monkey. It's so cute.
Monkey, awesome.
It was adorable. I got to hold it. I completed my newest piece of artwork. I haven't done a piece of art in a while, and this is my newest piece. Yeah, usually don't color them, but this time I decided to color it. Yep, that's it. I intend on doing more artwork.